This is a WD4 Gold drive. Here model is visible, though disk label shows no HGST mark. PCB number reveals it uses a Hitachi PCB. We use this drive to explain software functions. In the MRT11 version upgrade, we added new ID detection commands for the WD HGST series. Support WD drives with Hitachi PCB number. Here there are some ID information, generally for reference only. We have also added quick format commands, support capacities below 16 TB, mainly for faults where red sectors are quickly reported during LBA scanning, referred to as quick fast red fault here. One additional note, as WD's high-end series hard drives, the WD HGST series has added new instruction sets when firmware unlocking has not yet been realized. These hard drives can only respond to the new instruction sets and some general commands. Here is current version. Power on and wait for readiness. Due to many heads in this series, ready time may take long after long-term use. Select WD HGST program and enter. Choose any ID and enter. Log reports detection fails. Many drives show long busy light on failure. Click soft reset once. View data. Observe data change. Use logical scan. Result shows quick red fault. Status LEDs show error and UNC. Pause here. UNC means unrecoverable error in register rules, usually caused by platter bad sectors, heads, or defects, leading to read failure. Briefly, the drive receives and responds to read commands, but fails due to bad sectors or defects. We conclude translator fault. Try fast format command. In practice, canceling processing GList has higher success rate. Recommend cancel. If failed, choose OK for GList next time. Previous command succeeded. Now wait for finish. Format complete. Power cycle and wait for readiness. Run logical scan. View sector data. Data changed. Enter scan tool in main interface. Select read mode scan. Read scan gives more accurate results. Here are two WD HGST drives with the same model. They show identical fault symptoms. Capacity 10 terabytes. Model HUH72101OA-LE601. Left SN7PK, right SN2TK. We connect one of them to MRT for demonstration. Power on and wait for Enter WD HGST program. Select any ID and enter. Querying device info fails. Some drives show long, busy light. Click Soft Reset once. View data. Observe data. Looks normal. Select Logical Scan. Results shows quick red fault. Status LEDs show error and ABR. Pause here. ABR is the command reject indicator in register rules. The drive refuses data access commands, indicating that certain fault causes rejection. This differs from WD Gold drive, which showed ERR plus UNC. We consider translator fault. Here, ERR plus ABR suggests unknown fault. We still recommend testing fast format. Click Cancel. Command fails. Try again. Choose Process glist. Command still fails. Back to Logical Scan. Fault remains. By comparison, if UNC comes from translator fault, fast format can solve. With a BR fault, fast format will be rejected. Malfunction cannot be repaired. Why does quick format fail? We have prepared a 16 TB WD HGST PCB to check software feedback. Power PCB alone? Pick any ID to enter. Log shows various ID info can be read. Real ID name is found in link info. Reselect and enter. Upgrade log mentions that fast format does not support 16 TB, but ID Detect does. Note this is only a PCB without the drive, yet ID info can be obtained. ID access does not indicate head or translator issues. Combined with this, we explain here. The WD4TB case can be solved because motor and heads work normally. Place hand on motor position. Feel power on sequence. Listen to sound change. In normal startup, motor spins to target RPM, then heads, seek, and read firmware. So you'll hear spin up, an acceleration sound, stable rotation sound, and head seeking sound. WD10TB case only has motor sound. Heads do not work, so no head-related commands execute. Fast format needs defect handling with right operation. When head don't work at power on, fault occurs during firmware read phase. We cannot tell if translator issue follows. When fast format fails, consider 1. Heads completely damaged. 2. PCB circuit fault. 3. ROM data fault. 4. Special firmware faults similar to SMR190 malfunction. 5. Drive does not support fast format command. From current and remote cases, we tentatively label this model as common fault. If heads did not work, the recovery chance that all same models show common fault is very low. Similarly, if common faults stem from ROM data, it might be firmware design flaw. We cannot exclude it, but probability is low. If drive becomes ready, most likely causes are 1. PCB circuit fault. 2. Special firmware fault. 3. Fast format command not supported. 4. Low probability ROM design defect. In such cases, we can only try replacing the PCB, then test fast format command. Extra idea on confirming head activity. After drive readies, click Sleep. Feel motor RPM dropping from high to low. In WD10TB, RPM does not change after sleep, indicating heads are inactive. Regarding fast format command not supported, the previous tests used MRT 5-port Chinese version. Now we use 2-port English version. The test still selects WD 10 TB drive. In the log, various information appears as X. Testing the fast format command. No matter how we test, the results remain the same. Since firmware cannot be unlocked, we cannot determine why 2-port card feedback differs from the 5-port. Additionally, when the report shows X, the fast format command mostly fails. Therefore, if the 2-port displays ID information as X, you can use the 5-port card again to test ID and fast format command. Finally, we list the tested models and board numbers. From the tests, the board number has no direct effect on command support. More attention should be paid to the actual drive response, because even drives with the same model and board number, one may support the command while another fails. Our guess is the reason for command non-support lies in different hard drives, responding differently to the instruction set. Support cannot be determined directly from appearance or model.